Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Walmart Plus subscription. So first of all, you need to head over to walmart.com and then tap on Account in the top right corner. Click on Sign In from the drop-down menu and then log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, click on Walmart Plus from the vertical sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, click on Manage Membership right next to this gear icon. Once you're on this screen, simply scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then here at the bottom click on Cancel Walmart Plus. Click on Cancel Membership, and then select any appropriate reason. Again, click on Cancel Membership, and you're done. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.